Everything we do in life, there are two ways to do that. The smart way and the dumb way. Everyone around you, the way they are doing things, that is automatically 100% the dumb way of doing things. This is the rule of the masses. What everybody else is doing automatically becomes the dumb way of doing things. I'll give you two examples. First, the way most people lose weight is by skipping meals, dieting, and probably walking for an hour every day. They end up losing like 3 kgs in 6 months or 6 kgs in like a year. That is a dumb way, the slow way of doing things. What happens? Once that period is over, once that wedding is over, they start getting back to their normal routine and end up gaining that weight again, right? What is a smart way of losing weight? By building habits that become part of your identity. You still eat 3 times a day, you still have snacks, you just avoid sugar, sugary drinks, fast food, and simple carbs. That's it. Everything else stays the same. Over time, you start eating rich in proteins, rich in greens. This becomes part of your identity. You feel good inside. This is not an effort you're doing. This becomes part of your identity, and you can sustain that over decades. Second, the way most people increase their income is by working at a fixed job and working very hard to get 10 to 20% raise every year so that they become rich in the future. Definitely they earn money, but this is the inefficient way of earning money. What is a smarter way of earning money? You work on projects with clients or online, or you create your own personal brand like YouTube channel or online courses or Amazon brand. This way, it might take a year or two upfront while you put in the effort, but once you develop this system, you increase your income 5 to 10x more over the next decade and end up earning far more than the dumb way, the fixed way of earning through job and getting 10 to 20% raise for the entire decade. Always remember that the advice you see around, what you see masses doing, these could be elders in your family, these could be your friends, these could be some chacha, taya, mama who is giving the advice. All these advices that the masses are doing, they work, but they are the inefficient, dumb way of doing things. The smarter way is always the one that nobody else is doing, only a selected group of people are doing. So everything you do, always think what would be the smarter way of doing that.